did go tracing. I just took my recyclables out, and a baby blue jay jumped out of the bin when I got it out to the mailbox. Trying to find my light. And I chased him back over here. Hey, little fella. You're trying to bite me. He's hungry. Ow. Come on, get back on my finger, kid. You need a worm? Where's your mommy at? Huh? Where's your... Ow, quit biting me. Little shit. Trying to get a good look at your feathers. Hey, 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 where you going? You need a worm. Big fat worm, don't you? Oh yeah. Where you going? Get back here. Where you going? Where you going? Get out of here. Get back over there to the house. The cat will find you out here. Come on. Go. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Come here. Hey, quit biting me. Come on, get my hand. Hey, quit biting. Oh, shit. You can't fly yet. Get back to the house. Yeah, get back to the house. Your mommy's probably over there. Come on. Get my hand. Get my hand. Hurry up. You're a feisty little shit. Get my finger. Hurry up. Oh, I'm gonna just grab you. You little fucker. Alright. Oh, I got you. Fucker. You can't live in my recycle bin. Come on, get my hand. Where's your damn mother at? I've seen out here. Trying to save you. Come on, get on me. Quit biting. Quit biting. You little fucker. Quit biting me. There. There. Okay, quit. Fucker. You don't want to be my friend. You already took a ride once back over there. Now you're clear out in the damn street again. Maybe I'll just keep you, feed you, call you Leroy or something. Huh? So I'm probably blinding you. You can't see. Come here. Get me, little fucker. Come here. Get my hand. Ow! Get on my hand. Alright, I'm going in to catch you. Yeah, I got you. Yeah! Tough shit. Gotcha. Where are you? This is where the cycle bin was, so I'm gonna put him right back here. Now get over by the house where you won't get killed, dummy. Get up. You're not injured. Alright, say goodnight. Where's your mom at? Are you an abandoned kid? Quit, you little shit. Get back over there. Quit biting me. Come on, get on the stick. Get on the stick. You little shit, he's fast. He can't fly. Quit biting me. Quit biting me. Get on the stick. You look, you're stubborn. Gotcha. Whoop. Quit, quit. Here, nest in here. There you go. I'll leave you alone. Say goodnight, asshole. Hopefully me touching. I don't know. Uh-oh. Maybe I'll go find him more. He's cute. No one's gonna watch this bird. Video's too long.